मेरे को जो तय हुआ वो दे दो मेरे को।
Let me tell you something. टूरिस्ट लोग को स्कैम करना अच्छा बात नहीं है। लगेज छोड़ दो।
हाँ छोड़ दिया। लो आप अपनी।
ठीक है।
समझ गए?
ठीक।
Just reached the bus stop and I see a few buses. Not quite sure which one it is. Let's check. I've made the ticket online, so I have to show them the online ticket. Not sure if this is the bus or because they haven't provided a number. Excuse me.
पता नहीं आपकी वही है कि
I just ask if it's the same one. Dehradun?
नंबर सर
Dehradun? Yeah, this one. So this is the bus and the seat is L8. So we're trying to find the seat. It's a sleeper bus and it's on the lower berth. I think it will be a little hard.
Which seat?
L8 and L7. Yeah, I think this one. This one. You can pass. You can sit here for now. Let him pass.
He wants to go?
This is L8 and L7.
Okay.
L7 is upper,
And L8 is down.
lower.
Okay.
So from inside it looks something like this, and we are moving. They provide pillows and blankets. Here's my bag, and here's a window, and we're off to Dehradun. Just reached my destination.
भैया टैक्सी वाले टैक्सी मसूरी। एक और कौन सा है?
Just reached Dehradun and this was the bus, and now from here I have to find a ride.
समझ गए?
What is this guy? He just lived in the middle of the road.
कहाँ से यहाँ का माजरा?
वहाँ कहाँ है? महालक्ष्मी ट्रेवल्स ना?
महालक्ष्मी नहीं, वो जो है क्या बोलते हैं?
क्या होता है? 200 मीटर भी नहीं है। हाँ।
200 मीटर?
200 मीटर भी नहीं होगा।
क्या नहीं होगा 200 मीटर?
वहाँ से यहाँ तक
ये वीडियो का मुझे ना दिखाओ सीन।
मत सीन नहीं दिखा रहा है।
बहुत आते हैं मेरे पास वीडियो वाले।
हम भी बहुत बनाते हैं।
हाँ वीडियो मेरे को ना सुनाओ।
वहाँ से
मेरे को जो तय हुआ वो दे दो मेरे को।
नहीं होगा।
ये मेरे को ना दिखाओ वीडियो।
नहीं होगा।
हाँ
सुनो,
ये वीडियो ना दिखाओ मुझे।
तो अगर आप सवारी छोटे हो, कहाँ तक छोटे? बीच में
जहाँ हमें सवारी बोलती है ना वहाँ पे वहाँ छोड़ते हैं।
तो ये थोड़ी हम बदतमीजी मत करो भैया, ऐसे बदतमीजी मत
क्या
करो।
बदतमीजी करी है मैंने, बताओ?
He just drove 200 meters and he said this is your destination, and he's saying give me my money. So we are just stranded in the middle of the road, and this is a scam that's going on. Just be careful. So he's still waiting here. What he did is that right after I got down the bus, I was trying to book an Uber. He said that I'll drop you for a cheaper price, and it's around 4.5 kilometers. So he said that I'll drop you. You just pay me 80 rupees for 4.5 kilometers. Then he just drove for 200 meters and he said you have arrived. I said it's not even my destination. It's not even 4.4 kilometers. It's only 200 meters. So he said that give me my 80 rupees. So I said you haven't dropped me to the location yet, and now we are, we just got down of the place. He said that he wants his money. So this is the scam that these guys are running, and he will just tell you some very cheap price, and they will just drive for 200-500 meters. They will say that it's here, and take the money, and he will try to leave. So we are just waiting, and we are not paying him.
ये पैसे दे दो मेरे, क्या बात है? क्यों नहीं दे रहे पैसे?
पहले झूठ क्यों बोला है?
ठीक है, हम यहाँ तक के लिए नहीं आया, और दूसरी बात यहाँ तक के लिए
टूरिस्ट लोग को listen, let me tell you something. टूरिस्ट लोग को स्कैम करना अच्छा बात नहीं है। कोई भी बोलेगा ये गलत काम है। लगेज छोड़ दो।
हाँ छोड़ दिया।
उबर कैंसिल करने के लिए, उबर कैंसिल करने के लिए क्यों बोला था?
लो आप अपनी।
ठीक है।
समझ गए?
हाँ ठीक है। मत
बदतमीजी मत करो।
बदतमीजी मत। ठीक है। हाँ जाओ।
आप पढ़ी लिख के हो गए, अनपढ़ गवार बन रहे हो, समझ गए?
ठीक है।
So after that scammy auto ride, Here's the Uber ride home. Hopefully this one is not another scam. Starting the day with a scam, like whatever happened in the morning. I know 80 rupees is not a lot of money, but if it's being cheated, then it's it's not about the money. It's about feeling cheated and getting scammed. So anyway, so hopefully I don't see any more scammers this time. And I can see this market, Tibetan market out here, is some of the shops are owned by the Tibetan people, and it's just a quiet market. And here are mirrors everywhere. So in front of every shop there's a mirror, so that you can check out yourself once you try their clothes or shoes or whatever. These are some Tibetan restaurants. So we decided to get into this kitchen. No alcohol here. Let's see what I can find. It's over there.
Oh, sorry.
Can I get one of that? Thank you. So this is, it's called Chinnar apple beer, and that's non-alcoholic. So I'll just have a sip and see how it tastes like. It's not bad. It has got, of course, it has got an apple flavor, and it's like soda. So my veg tukka is here. Thank you. Can I get a chopstick? Here's the veg tukka. It's very hot right now. You see all the smokes, and I can smell the flavor of garlic, and I think this is the chili sauce. Let us taste it and see if it tastes same like in Nepal or it's a little different. Just more like a soup noodle, thicker. It's pretty good, and it has got a very mild flavor, not too salty. It's very mild. While I'm having this apple beer, I've noticed this thing. The bottle is a pint. I'm not sure if you can see it, but you can see it. It's a Budweiser bottle. So I'm not sure you can see, but I've just noticed that it's a Budweiser bottle, and probably in some local market they just repack it. Getting back to my noodle. About to close?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you have veg momo?
Veg momo is right.
Okay, one veg momo.
What? Veg momo is veg.
This was not enough, so I ordered from one more veg momo. That's basically like veg dumpling. So what time to what time is this place open?
आपको 11 बजे तक आपको रेडी मिलेगा.
Okay. So you're from like Dehradun or
Lemon Town, the temple.
Bhutan?
The temple.
Kalman town.
Okay,
Lemon Town.
okay. So like basically, I believe you guys are from, your roots are from Tibet.
Tibetan.
Okay. Because I heard you guys are speaking a different language. That's Tibetan, right?
Yes, Tibetan.
Okay. It was nice. The food was nice. Here are the veg momos. I'll just add some sauce, some chili sauce. Just a little bit. I'll see how it tastes like. Not bad. Pretty bland taste, pretty mild. Not too strong, not too salty. So I'm gonna finish this and then head out. Probably go back, get some rest, and let's see what I can find tomorrow.
Salt.
Okay, salt.
चटनी नहीं डाला, sauce डाला. ये ना इसमें नमक.
Okay.
ये थोड़ा डालेंगे ना, थोड़ा ऐड करके.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So she said that just add this chili sauce and add some salt from here. That's how it's supposed to eat. I just add a little bit of salt, not too much, because I'm not a huge fan of salty stuff.
It's nice.
Life can be salty though. Getting scammed. So I will just mix this both with the salt. Now let's try it. Yeah, it's actually good. You should try it too.